how to auto scroll on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can auto scroll on Instagram Reels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to auto scroll on Instagram Reels, open up your Play Store, search for Instagram Reel auto scroll and download any app. In this case I'm just choosing the first application over here. Even I haven't tried it, so let's see what this app has to promise me. Because by default you cannot auto scroll the Reels on Instagram, right? You have to simply scroll it from your device like this using your phone, as you would be able to find it. Otherwise you will not be able to auto scroll. So let me just go ahead and then basically open this application here, and then make sure to give it all the permission it requires, such as the overlay permission over here. Once you select overlay permission, you can just come back. You can also select accessibility permission, tap on go to accessibility and just select installed apps and just select auto scroll and then just turn this on. Once you turn this thing on, you can just come back over here. Now once we've done that, I'm just going to cross this out for the premium, and then I'll just select Instagram here, tap on start service. Once I select start service, now let's go ahead and check Instagram application over here. I'm just going to go ahead and auto scroll, and now I can just go ahead and then basically come back to this page here, and I can just select start service. And now you can see default scroll time is set to 25 seconds. I can simply set this to 5 seconds as well. And once you set this to 5 seconds, depending upon what you use, you can now go ahead and then basically, let me just go ahead and show you. I'll just set this to 5 seconds, right? Once I do that, what I need to do is just come back over here, and after 5 seconds it is actually going to get automatically scrolled to the next page over here. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then auto scroll Instagram Reels. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.